Are you an EV fan tired of waiting for VW's next big thing? Check out the 2026 ID.4 facelift and you might change your mind. This isn't just a fresh coat of paint, it's a smart break on waiting years for a new platform. VW skipped the full rebuild for now and gave the ID.4 a midlife boost they call MEB+. That means better battery use, sharper looks, and fixes to the stuff that annoyed us before. Today, we're diving into what's new, why they did it, and if it's worth your cash. First up, the look. Say goodbye to the blobby curves of old and hello to cleaner lines and a boxier shape. VW borrowed from the ID.20 All concept, so the ID.4 feels more like a classic two-box SUV. The overall vibe is more solid and grown up, not just minimalist plastic everywhere. Under the skin, MEB+ steps in. VW promises big gains in battery efficiency and lower costs thanks to new cells and software. Torque stays strong at around 550 Nm, so you won't lose that punchy acceleration. Expect smoother driver aids and a smarter touchscreen that actually listens to you. Now inside, real buttons return. After too many taps and swipes, VW reintroduced tactile controls beneath the glass dash. You won't hunt menus just to turn up the heat or adjust the radio. Good news for distracted drivers. Plus, materials are getting an upgrade. Soft touch surfaces, better stitching, a cabin that feels premium. Now here's the twist. VW planned a full SSP platform launch around 2026 under the Trinity project, but software snags in their Carriot team pushed that timeline into the early 2030s. Instead of sitting on old tech, VW plugged in MEB+ to keep the ID.4 fresh and on sale. And there's more tech on the way. Meet IDAA, VW's AI voice helper powered by ChatGPT. Starting this September, you'll talk to your SUV like you talk to your friends. It's rolling out now on the US 82 kWh models and will spread to other trims soon. What about money? The facelift drops late 2025 into 2026, and prices should hover around $43,000. That's in line with today's ID.4 and undercuts many rivals aiming for the same range. So why does this matter? VW buys time while Trinity catches up and keeps the ID.4 in the spotlight. It also fights back against Tesla and budget Chinese EVs with better style and feel, and it costs less than building a whole new base from scratch. At its heart, the 2026 ID.4 is a clever play. It keeps VW's bestseller competitive until the next gen hits. You get cooler design, smart tech, and a solid interior for familiar money. No endless waiting, just an improved EV you can drive now.